Alright guys, how are you guys all doing? Welcome back to the nightly watch list. Today the stock market is setting up for a big move tomorrow. Before we get into the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if comments are enabled, and like the video for the YouTube algorithm, as Graham Stephan says. Let's go. Alright, so basically today nothing much happened. We stayed in a pretty tight range. There wasn't a big volume due to Veterans Day, obviously. Shout out to all the vets. And so, formally, what happened today from the notes, to me, it seems that we're setting up for a move. Thursday and Friday may be a bigger move than today was obviously because it was Veterans Day and banks were closed, so there was more money tied up than there's usually flowing in the stock market. So that made it seem like today was an uneventful day. So the rotation that I was talking about into value did stop. FANG and Tech came up today. Maybe because the money was stuck up. Bonds didn't trade at all today, so I didn't really know what was going on, but the money was definitely stuck up today. There were small reactions to COVID closures today. New York was the main one, and we need to see how the markets react to the growing cases. So as you can see right here, this is when the news came out for lockdowns and new closures. So we basically dropped 2 points, nothing major, but the stock market definitely reacts to it, but not in a major way. And today's volume was definitely depleted. It was a lot less, and the moves were much more contained. So other than that, let's move on for the outlook for tomorrow. Okay, so the outlook for tomorrow, since nothing happened, I would say just keep watching out for new work from home stocks such as Zoom, and because new lockdowns could help and benefit them as usual. Zoom did skyrocket. We obviously know why, since everyone's working from home. And then the usual, keep an eye on GLD, UUP, and TLT. Watch if they break out of their range to understand the macroeconomics of the situation and understand what's going on with the economic shift. Other than that, there's nothing much there aren't really any plays I made today. There were no plays on any of the accounts. The long term is down because I'm more focused on growth, which you take a hit once in a while, but nothing too major. Other than that, please like the video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. Peace and love, baby.